Hi everyone, this is Francesca and CG by Fran. I also have other channels, but CG by Fran. And I'm coming today to unveil my Singer HD6380M. I got it in the mail, I would say about 5 days ago. And I've been holding off because I wanted to wait for Christmas, but I figured I would show it to you now, so I want to unveil it. Okay. I had to get another one because my old machine kind of died on me when I was doing all the masks. And I needed something that was going to be more heavy duty, and that's what this is. I got this at Joann's. It was on sale. Originally I was going for, I think it was a 4211, but then that sold out. And this seems to be just like it. And when I look at what's on the box here, and I wanted something that would help me with the stitch width and the stitch length, and this one has more stitches than the other one, the HD4211. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it. Oh, and by the way, okay, it says what's inside. What's inside the machine, of course. This is like extend arm or table. You have the different feet. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, looks like 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know what this is. Like I said, it's bobbin, and I don't know what else. And then you have the seam ripper and needles, and I think this may be the razor. This is to clean it. You got bobbins here. I guess extra. I don't know. You got the manual, something else. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what's in there, and I can't tell on the side. Yeah, full interior metal frame provides long-lasting durability. Enhanced piercing power, more power for thick fabric layers, extra high sewing speed, professional speed for faster results, extension table included, so that was that long thing I mentioned. Provides a level sewing surface to sew larger projects, extra high pressure foot lift, more space for multiple fabric layers, and that was a big deal for me of some fabrics I recently was using, especially with denim. Quick and easy threading, easy to follow threading guides, and 110 stitch applications. Right technique for any project. So that's what. Okay. And it says free online get started videos. Learn all about your machine with Singer at singer.com/get started. Okay, what did I do? Oh, here we go. I know, have to be careful. There. My husband bought this for me for Christmas. So, I'm so happy. Important safety instructions. Here. Okay. Yeah. Packed really well. Okay. Now, I didn't want to stand in front of camera because you don't need to see my big butt. And if my niece is watching this, don't laugh at your auntie. Okay, this bag. Oh, this must be the cover. It's like a, that thin, gauzy type of cover. Now that I have a nice, really nice sewing machine, I'll make a cover. Okay, and then the bag of your accessories. Alright. I thought that was nice of them though. And it has Singer on it. That's my dog Mona. She's mad because I'm not paying attention to her. She killed lamb chop today. Gave her a toy and she squeaked it and pulled the stuffing out. Okay, here's going to be the hard part. Getting this out. Oh, they do pack this well. Okay. There's more stuff in there. Oh, there must be stuff. There you go. And I know the one thing people complained about when I read the reviews was the pedal. They said it was flimsy, so I'm hoping that there is not an issue with it. I mean, it is lighter than what I'm normally used to, and it's the 3-prong type, but it's lighter than what I'm used to. But you know, work with it, right? The main thing is what's going on here. Okay. Okay, they protected that, which was nice. And they have a 25% off coupon. And then preparing the machine and the bobbin thread instructions, quick start guide. Okay. Put that over here. All paperwork goes here. And these other instructions. Oh, I guess on how to, yeah, that goes with the pedal. Okay. So that goes in there. So here, I will bend it a little bit because I can't bring the camera over. But here it is. And this is what it looks like on top. You have the tension, the needle position, the width. I like that needle position, because my other machine, it could only go left or middle or right and middle. I forgot which one it was, but and it could only do it with certain stitches. And then you have the guides. Oh, hold on, I gotta turn my phone off. That's telling me that it's 5 minutes to prayer call. Hold on. Okay, so I know I have to finish this in 5 minutes. And it has the bobbin is up here. And so this was just an unboxing. Okay, and when I try it, I will do a review. And here's your extended table. Now I got to figure out how this works, because I've never had this before, so I have to figure out how this works. And I think another issue some folks said about with my other machine, I was actually able to get under, so I'm gonna have to really breathe. Okay. Oh, that's where the extended table goes. Move this. So the extended table must go here. Oops, a little higher. So go in there, push in. I don't want to force anything right now until I really read. Yeah. I don't want to break anything. So it's supposed to go in there, and there's a slot for it to get in there. So once I make sure I know what I'm doing, then I'll do it. But that's what that is. And so what I was saying was that people were saying that they can't really get under here. Let me show you what I mean. They can't get under here with a lot of fabric, whereas with my other machine, all of this really was free, and if I really wanted to get underneath it, I would just bring this over to the table and I had all this empty space. This one doesn't allow that, so hopefully that will not be an issue with something that I have to go around and around. It's definitely not a problem if you have something that's straight, but if there's like a sleeve that's really thick, this will cause an issue. But most of the things I do are just straight, so that's why I opted for this. Okay, so that's just a quick show of the Singer HD6380M, like in Mary, as in Michael. Okay, so I'll be trying it soon, but this was just an unboxing. It's not a review, and I hope that this was a little informative. But I guess it'll be more informative when I actually use it. Okay? I just wanted to unbox it. Okay, take care. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed holiday. Stay safe. God bless.